Hallo Freunde, willkommen zur zweiten Episode von Life is Strange, Episode 4, The Dark Room. Ich wünsche euch viel Spaß.
I'm sorry, William.
So, das letzte Mal waren wir ja in einer alternativen Zeit und der versuchen wir jetzt zu entkommen. Seid gespannt, was dann passiert.
Someday Dad'll get one of them newfangled computers.
I hope the flash didn't scare you, Max. This is a keeper. Hello? Hey, honey. What? Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Keys, please. Aha! You can't hide from me forever. And no Chloe and Max wine tasting session.
Dad.
Don't blow it, because tonight your mother promised to make us a world-famous salmon surprise with chocolate cake for dessert. Max, you'll be here too, right?
She's never leaving me.
That makes all of us.
Max, you are being so fucking strange. Like you're never gonna see us again.
Chloe, I'm so sorry. I tried to make things different for you. I did try. I'm sorry.
I don't know exactly what you're talking about, but come on. You have made things different, like my whole life. You're my best friend. I've got you and a great family. What's to be sorry for? We'll be best friends forever. And when we grow up, we're taking over the world.
Listen, whatever happens, I want you to be strong. Even if you feel like I wasn't there for you. Because I will never abandon you, Chloe. I'll always have your back. Always. Chloe, you're alive. Yes.
Whoa, down, Max. You get one kiss, now you're all over me?
I'm so glad you're here.
You sound high, but thanks for the morning grope. Since we were up all night playing CSI Arcadia Bay, I was still spaced out here trying to put all this info together. Max, did you forget we've gone over this? I hope you weren't messing around with time while I was sleeping.
Not anymore. I'm just spaced out too. Welcome back to the real world, Max. I don't think I can ever tell Chloe about what happened.
Willkommen zurück in der korrekten Timeline. Schauen wir mal, wie es
Let's look at
weitergeht.
the big board and see all our pieces in the puzzle so far.
Als erstes,
Getting lost in all this shit.
scheiße, ich wollte versuchen, die Musik auszustellen. Wegen YouTube, Copyright, ja, bla bla bla. Hoffen wir mal, dass es durchgehend in Deutschland gesendet werden darf. So ein Schwachsinn.
This butterfly photo seems like a million years ago. How much time have I altered since?
F on demand. What the fuck? Okay, also wir müssen ja jetzt an das Board gehen und die Sachen zusammenreimen.
Staying up all night is the best excuse to drink lots of coffee.
Ich kann auch soliderweise Kaffee trinken, den ich übrigens vergessen habe einzukaufen. Jetzt hocke ich daheim und habe keinen Kaffee. Oh.
So close yet so far away. We have to do 3 main things.
Right. What things?
1. Decipher Frank's logbook. 2. Get Nathan's phone to find out where he's been during the Vortex Club parties with Kate and Rachel. And see whatever hidden shit he's got in his messages.
3. Beat Step-Douche Dan until he tells us about Frank, Nathan, and the dark room. Too bad I don't have a gun anymore.
Yes, that's the solution. We'll have to do this on our own.
Dude, at least let me kick his ass, then rewind. Fine, whatevs. It's your power.
Which I can't waste on shit like that. Or Blackwell would be in big trouble.
You didn't even let me take that money to pay Frank off.
And I'm glad. We have to be better than that.
I know. You should get busy in the garage to see what dirt you can dig up. I'm gonna cyberstalk some names and see where that leads. Or to who. And be careful of Stepcrack. He's not gonna be a happy camper after you reamed him yesterday and Mom is giving him the boot.
I'm on it, partner.
Alles klar. Ich kann mich noch erinnern, dass ich einige Probleme hatte bei diesen Hinweisen.
That poor little bird has been trapped in here.
Schauen wir mal. Erstmal kümmern wir uns um den Vogel. Das war Schritt Nummer 1. Wir öffnen das Fenster. Erschrecken den Vogel nochmal in der Hoffnung, dass er rausfliegt.
Fly, be free.
Sehr gut.
It's such a warm, beautiful day. How could a killer storm just pop up tomorrow?
Wenn ich es noch richtig im Kopf habe, ist Episode 4 übrigens die längste Episode. Und Episode 5 ist eine der kürzesten. Also ich weiß nicht genau, wie viele Parts es hier geben wird. Ich versuche das so bei 30 Minuten zu lassen, ungefähr. 30, 45 Minuten. Je nachdem. Ich glaube, ich mache das Licht mal hier aus. Und gehe jetzt runter in die Garage. Um weitere Beweise für unser Board zu holen. Weitere Hinweise. Um alle Clues zusammenzusetzen.
You won this battle, Max. You broke up my family. I salute you.
David, I didn't try to hurt you. Ever. But I won't let anybody hurt Chloe.
Too late, isn't it? You just better be damn careful with her. Don't you wander off into the dark.
Ja, das haben wir wohl verkackt.
David isn't any different from me when he's looking at those family photos. Those poor whales are like beached angels. What is going on here?
Euch gleichzeitig vertrage ich nicht. Cool. Mhm. Keine Emojis, ne. Das mag sie gar nicht.
Looks like they're back on the road to Paris.
Ich will gerade mal schauen. Irgendwo ist, glaube ich, noch ein Foto versteckt.
Poor birds. I guess David wasn't in the mood to clean up.
Oder auch nicht. Egal, kann man ja später in diesem Collectors Mode
William never
holen.
finished painting that wall.
Und ich sehe, ich habe Dreck auf dem Bildschirm. Sorry, das sind Sachen, die muss ich sofort erledigen. Übrigens ist mir aufgefallen, dass Life is Strange, ich sag mal, von den Klickzahlen sehr, sehr, sehr niedrig ist im Vergleich zu anderen Let's Plays. Und ich wollte trotzdem einfach mal Danke an alle sagen, die das hier verfolgen und die
Joyce
sich das
must be
anschauen.
so upset. Are you helping anybody, Max?
Ja, ich mache irgendwie alles kaputt, ne? Ja. Wollte mich einfach bedanken bei den Leuten, die hier zuschauen, denen das Spaß macht und die auch mal ein ruhigeres Let's Play vertragen. Danke.
It looks like David finished his car repairs. Maybe there's some new clues around.
Dann wollen wir doch mal nachschauen.
Should I have signed the petition? Blackwell sure isn't safe and private anymore. Oh, meow, Miss Grant. Twist that knife. At least he has one weird fan. Wish I had surveillance footage of that conversation.
Mitnehmen können wir da nichts.
Surveillance cameras at Pan Estates? David must be working for the Prescotts too.
Krass. Er ist schon ein bisschen übertrieben, aber ich glaube, er meint's gar nicht so böse. Glaube ich.
There's more to David Madsen than meets the eye. He should finish this letter to Joyce.
So, ihr könnt es mal kurz lesen. Ich kenne es ja schon.
What the hell did David do for Nathan? And what did his dad do for David? Either Chloe stole another gun, or David is out there armed.
Ew.
Oh, jeez. David is packing up wedding stuff too.
Ja, das haben wir gut verbockt.
Whoa, that is a serious padlock on that locker. Hey, David, what you hiding? For once, I don't have time to search for the code. I need to find a way to break this Oh, look at the baby blue jay eggs in the nest. I better move his... Excuse me. Just one picture, please. Click. Another photo from my Arcadia Bay wildlife series.
Und wieder schön
Oh,
zurückstellen.
thank you. Sleep tight, my eggy wags.
Das ist schon goldig. gucken, ob sie dann auch schlüpfen. Ah, okay, ich kann durchlaufen. Ich vermute, dass die Kombination in irgendeinem Brief ist, vielleicht das Hochzeitsdatum oder sonst was. Schauen wir mal. E-Mail, was hat man
Should
denn
I have
hier?
signed the petition? Oh, meow. At least he has one weird fan. Wish I had surveillance footage of that conversation.
Nee, sieht nicht so aus, als wäre hier eine Nummer versteckt. Wir können das Ding auch so
I
aufmachen,
can
ne?
use that crowbar to pry open the locker.
Warum nicht? Was Gordon Freeman kann, können wir schon lang.
Sorry, David, but I bet you would do the same thing as me. Oh, maps, notes, coordinates, photos of Kate, Nathan. Oh, yes.
Oh Gott. Das Twin Peaks Nummernschild kennen wir ja noch. Aha. Was soll das heißen? Twilight? Okay, mit dem Zeug kommen wir definitiv weiter.
Score. Back to Chloe now.
Machen wir direkt.
Yo, Chloe! Are you ready yet? I have to get back to my dorm.
Are we happy?
Very happy. I hit the secret file jackpot. Kate, Nathan, and Rachel. Plus some location coordinates. David is like a one-man surveillance army. Now let's get the hell out of here before we get busted. But I absolutely have to go see Kate in the hospital right now. I want to find out how she's doing.
Ich hätte jetzt ehrlich gesagt gedacht, dass wir da an das Brett jetzt direkt
This is
gehen.
definitely Kate's floor.
Hospitals always freak me out.
I hear you. But imagine how Kate feels. I'm so glad I get to see her again. I hope it's not too weird for her.
No, she'll be stoked to see you. Who wouldn't be?
This be it. I'm a little nervous.
Just go in there and be your friend. I'll wait out here so you can chill by yourselves. I was a total dick for blowing a fuse when you answered Kate's call the other day. Good thing you ignored me. I had no idea what shit she was going through. And you saved her. Like me. I'm sorry.
Thanks, Chloe. But don't be sorry. We're all on the same team.
Team Max. Let Kate know we're gonna string Nathan up by his balls then.
Oh, yes. I'm on it.
Max,
Kate.
I thought I'd never see you again. I feel so ridiculous. I'm so sorry.
Kate, listen to me. You have nothing to be sorry about. Other people do. You do not know how happy I am to see you. You look awesome. Is it a stupid question if I ask how you're doing?
Now that you're here, I'm doing even better. I'm so grateful to you for coming up to the roof to talk me down. Max, I felt so lost and alone. When I saw how much you cared, how hard you were trying, you made me realize I wasn't alone. Thank you.
Kate, there are so many people who love you and want to help you.
I know. You should see all the letters and postcards. I gave most of the flowers to other patients here because they need them more than me. I'm keeping the balloons, though. One of the nurses gave me some pen and paper so I could do some drawings.
I love your illustrations.
They got kind of dark there for a while. But I have an idea for a new children's book about bullying. I was thinking of having some photographs in there too.
I hope that's a subtle hint that you'll let me take the photographs for the book.
Was that subtle? You better take the pictures, Max. I'm going to be here for another day until my family comes out to visit.
How are they treating you?
Like they need to protect me forever. They're so upset, and I know they feel guilty even though they didn't do anything. I was surprised how many students from Blackwell wrote me. Daniel, Mr. Jefferson, even Victoria wrote me a very sweet note. And I believe she was being real.
Me too. I'm glad you believe again, Kate.
I'm working on it, Max. I just pray I can get this drawing right.
Falls jemand von euch Zuschauern die Kate nicht gerettet hat, mich würde mal interessieren, ob die Sequenz hier komplett wegfällt oder ob man dann auf eine Trauerfeier geht oder sonst was. Weil ich muss sagen, bei meinem ersten Spieldurchlauf hatte ich sie auch gerettet und ich denke, dass es möglich ist, dass sie stirbt. Also wenn jemand von euch das mal verkackt hat, bitte Bescheid geben, würde mich sehr, sehr, sehr interessieren.
Principal Wells knows how to step it up when he wants to. That is so sweet. Even Victoria signed. But not Nathan. Victoria Chase might be Queen Bitch, but she's not evil.
Ja, die stellt sich halt gern assi.
Thank you, sisters. You really saved Kate.
Bin froh, dass es ihr gut geht und dass sie auch wieder an einem Buch arbeitet, dass sie wieder ein bisschen Selbstvertrauen gefunden hat. Ich liebe das Spiel einfach. Ich lieb's abgöttisch.
Oh, I love Kate's happy rainbow flock. Good to see that Kate is still working on her book report.
Es hat so viele Details und ist einfach schön.
If this gets Kate through the night, so be it.
Buddy Jesus.
Those are nice flowers. And from Taylor? Wow, props to her. I don't think get well is quite apropos.
Was willst du denn sonst holen? Schön, dass du dich nicht umgebracht hast auf dem Ballon, oder was? Ist ein bisschen doof.
It's amazing to just sit here quiet with Kate again. I don't think I'll ever know how much destiny I'm changing. But whoever said we only have a single fate? Time travel is such a mindfuck.
Dann wollen wir mal reden
It
mit
is
ihr.
so good to know that Kate is drawing again. Kate, it is so good to hang out with you again.
Max, I owe you so much. And I can tell you want to talk to me about something.
I saw Victoria's letter. How does that make you feel?
Max, I know Victoria can be not nice, but I do believe in forgiveness and redemption. I might be naive, but I feel her struggle.
Me too. I could have taken a picture of her covered in paint, but I didn't, and we had a genuine moment.
We all have our moments. Why do you think she acts so mean?
She's insecure. If you're comfortable with yourself, you don't need to act superior.
Victoria doesn't look like she has much to be insecure about.
If anybody could make Victoria see the light, it would be Kate Marsh.
No. I think it will take more than that, Max.
I always want to talk to you.
We missed our tea session this week.
That was so not cool. We need to plan, like, a tea shop tour of Portland.
Oh, yes. And you could bring Warren along, too.
No boys allowed.
You are funny, Max. And right.
I want you to know I'm this close to getting all the info I need about Nathan.
Nathan Prescott has to pay for what he did. And we have to stop him from hurting anybody else.
Well, I did get his ass suspended, so that might be a start.
You did? Oh, right on, Max. I love how fearless you are. So what is going on with him now?
I assume he'll show up at the Vortex Club party tonight like nothing happened.
And nobody can do anything to him after what he did.
We're going to stop him. I just have to find Nathan's room number, get inside, and get the clues I need.
Max, please let me help. I can get the number, and I'll text it to you, okay?
Of course, Kate. I can't do this without you.
Now it's time for Nathan to watch out for us.
I have to get back to our mission. You don't know how much it means to see you again.
I do. That's why I love you, Max. Thanks for taking care of my bunny. Tell Alice I'll see her soon.
Ach, ist das ein schönes Spiel. Dann wollen wir mal zurück.
Well, how is she?
She's still Kate Marsh. Thank God.
I'm glad we came to see her.
Thanks for coming with me.
Now let's go pay a visit to Nathan Prescott. That little prick is not going to be glad when he sees us.
Hey, Max. How you doing?
Oh, hi, Mr. Jefferson. I'm okay. And this is my friend Chloe.
Yo.
Chloe. Why isn't somebody as cool as you going to Blackwell?
I was way too cool for this school. It's a long story. And actual files here.
I can imagine. Max, are you sure that you're all right?
It's weird just being on campus like everything's normal.
I know, lame as it sounds, life has to go on.
I think there's too much going on in my life.
On that note, Blackwell duty calls. Remember, I'm going to announce the winner of the Everyday Heroes contest tonight at the party, so I hope you'll be there to celebrate, even though I'm sorry you didn't enter a photo. I understand your reasons. You can't force an artist to work.
I feel like a total loser, but it's been a hard week to focus. No pun intended.
I'm proud of you for caring so much about a troubled friend. And I take hope in the fact that you have plenty of time to find your way. Just get in the habit of putting your work out there.
Thanks, Mr. Jefferson. I'll definitely be there tonight.
Me too. I'll be Max's date. You better dance with us at least once.
And nobody should have to see me dance. Plus, you don't want to watch the old hipster trying to keep up with the kids. I have some pride. Be seeing you.
Yes, you will. Hot for teacher.
Gross! You're out of control.
Not yet. Just wait until the Rager tonight.
Shut up.
Don't be jealous because Mark Jefferson thinks I'm cool.
I am so ignoring you.
Fine. Since I'm here, I'll see if I can get some dirt from Justin. Haven't talked to him in a while.
Now that is a great plan.
Alles klar.
Let's see if I can find out where Nathan is.
Genau. Ob wir rausfinden, wo der Nathan ist und wie es auf dem Campus weitergeht, sehen wir im nächsten Part. Ich bedanke mich recht herzlich fürs Zuschauen und hoffe, wir sehen uns auch beim nächsten Mal. Bis dann. Ciao.